Imagine having a companion that knows your habits, understands your emotions, remembers every important detail about your life, and evolves with you over time. This is exactly where personalized AI companions are taking us in the near future. Unlike today's basic voice assistants, the next generation of AI companions will be deeply personalized digital entities. They will adapt to your personality, goals, communication style, and emotional state. These companions will become an always available presence in your daily routine. They will manage schedules, remind you of commitments, and track long-term goals. They will offer emotional support, help you make decisions, and coach you through challenges like stress, productivity, fitness, and learning. In homes across the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, AI companions will integrate seamlessly with smart devices, vehicles, wearables, and work platforms. They will create a unified personal intelligence that moves with you from morning to night. They will learn how you think, what motivates you, and how you respond under pressure. This will allow them to suggest actions before you ask. For example, they might recommend breaks when you're mentally overloaded or adjust your environment to improve focus and mood. In education, AI companions will act as lifelong tutors, adapting teaching styles in real time. They will help users acquire new skills faster than traditional learning systems. In healthcare, they will monitor wellness data, detect early warning signs, and provide preventative guidance. This will be especially beneficial for elderly individuals and those living alone. Emotionally aware AI companions will recognize tone, facial expressions, and behavior patterns. This will allow them to respond with empathy and appropriate support. It raises powerful questions about human-AI relationships and emotional dependency. As these systems become more realistic through voice synthesis, avatars, and augmented reality, AI companions may take on visual forms that feel increasingly human. This will blur the line between tool and relationship. At the same time, privacy, data ownership, and psychological impact will become critical concerns. This will push developers to design transparent, secure, and ethically aligned systems. Over the next decade, personalized AI companions will not replace human relationships, but they will reshape how people experience solitude, productivity, mental health, and personal growth. This shift represents a profound change in daily life. Intelligence will no longer be something we access occasionally, but something that walks beside us constantly, learning, adapting, and evolving as we do.